Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to buy XRP on WeBull Pay. So the first thing you're going to want to do is actually deposit money into your account. So along the very bottom you'll have multiple tabs. You're going to click on the Bitcoin tab, and from here when you scroll down a little bit you'll see an option that says deposit to WeBull Pay. So click on deposit to WeBull Pay. If you don't have a bank account linked already, that's also how you link a bank account. Then you type in the amount of money you would like to deposit onto WeBull, and now you have money in your WeBull Pay account. Go back to the first tab, and at the top right you'll see a magnifying glass. So click on the magnifying glass, and all you have to do is type in XRP, and then it will show up right there, and it'll bring you to the XRP page. At the very bottom you'll see a section that says buy or sell. So we're going to click on buy. And here is when you type in the dollar amount you would like to buy. Let's say I would like to buy $5 worth of XRP. At the bottom there you'll see I have 0 buying power. This is also another option of how you could deposit money onto WeBull Pay. If you want to buy shares of XRP as opposed to just typing in the US dollar, where it says amount in USD, you'll see USD is highlighted in blue. So click on USD, and it'll change to amount in XRP. So now I could say I would like to buy 5 shares of XRP, and you can see the estimated cost is $12.94. If you're good with everything, at the very bottom it'll say next. So click on next, and then here it'll give you a summary of your purchase. If you are good with everything you see in your summary, just click on confirm buy, and that is how you buy XRP on WeBull Pay. If this video helped out, hit that like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.